Hi everyone, I am Simon Karim. Today I'm excited to show you around Gables Boca Place in West Boca Raton. You'll enjoy resort style living every day. A sparkling pool, a fitness center, sport courts, BBQ, and picnic areas. Inside, the apartments offer spacious layouts, large closets, private balconies or patios, and fully equipped kitchens with energy efficient appliances. What I really like is the location. It feels tucked away and peaceful, yet you're only minutes from Lynn University and Boca's best shopping and dining. Outdoor lovers will enjoy the Children's Science Explorium, the beautiful Deerfield Beach Arboretum, and Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. For shopping, you're close to Town Center at Boca Raton, Misner Park for boutiques and dining, and Del Mar Village for quick errands. Families will also appreciate nearby highly rated schools, including Addison Misner Elementary and Boca Raton Community Schools. Rents here range from about $1,846 up to $7,200, depending on your floor plan. That's in line with Boca averages. But the real value is the lifestyle, resort style amenities, a quiet setting, and unbeatable access to everything Boca has to offer. This is Simon Karim. Call or text me at 5617040091 or visit simoncancel.com to schedule your tour.